Pratley 123 Quickset is a new generation adhesive offering an easy 3-step bonding system. It requires no mixing and will join almost anything, including most plastics. Pratley 123 Quickset is excellent for bonding aluminium. It will bond to most materials, which includes most rigid plastics. Some suggested uses include bonding aluminium, repairing handles on appliances like fridges and tumble dryers, and mending ceramics and rigid plastic toys. Surfaces to be bonded should be free of loose dirt, rust, paint, oil, and grease. Sanding will help with the adhesion to smooth surfaces. You can do chemical cleaning with Pratley Safety Cleaner or industrial acetone. Wipe in one direction to remove the majority of contaminants. Apply a very thin layer of activator onto one surface and wait approximately 5 minutes for it to evaporate. Apply a bead of resin from the tube onto the other surface without spreading the bead. Align the surfaces, bring them together with light pressure and hold for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You can clean off the extra resin and leave the object to cure to full strength in about 30 minutes. Pratley 123 Quickset can be handled within 4 minutes after application. Will have 50% strength in about 10 minutes and will have full strength in approximately 30 minutes. All Pratley products carry our policy statement that states, the performance of our products must exceed all others on the world market. Go to our website or social media platforms for more information.